Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset your X88 Pro and we will see all in this video, so stay tuned for that. So here at the settings you will find more settings. Here at the bottom we have about device. Here we will find all the data that is necessary, and we have at the system we have here backup in case you want to back up your information or data, and reset option. We will find three options to reset it, with Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, app preference, or erase all data factory reset. This is the option that we will use today. You can see press reset device, erase everything, and it will start to erase all the data that you had in the box in case you didn't back up, and it will start to restart your box, which will take a few minutes, and it will be done like brand new at the end of this video. So you can see the X88 Pro logo, it started to show. And now this is the warning. It's installing the apps that are installed from the factory or from the default, and we will see that in the end when it starts up. So just a few minutes more or seconds maybe, and you can see the 5 steps that you need to do. So this let us know that the box is brand new now. And this is all for today, guys. I hope this video was interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.